The name's Jabbedaya, but that don't matter. What do matter is that I'm here today to show you how to create beautiful artwork. Now see here. Back in my day, we had to walk half a mile uphill with ice blocks on our backs just to paint a picture. Today, you young whippersnappers got it all easy, I tell you. But that don't matter. What do matter is that you is here today. Welcome to the Mindstorm Channel by Cracky. It started a long time ago in a galaxy not too far away. Yes, sir, not too far away at all. It's been growing and growing ever since, helping young folk like you come up with ideas on how to market and sell your stuff. Now, see here. Y'all's gotta forgive my voice. It's a beta test, I think you youngins calls it nowadays. See, I was created with this newfangled AI technology, so my voice ain't perfect, but it sure is trying hard to be. I was also, animated with a downright crazy application called the DID. And my good looks were created in an AI imaging application called the MidJourney. Now see, this here MidJourney thingy is pretty much a miracle. Miracle, I tell ya. All you gotta do is tell it what you want it to draw, and the dadgum thing will most certainly draw it. So today, I'm gonna show you some beautiful prompting, prompts you can copy and paste right into this new technology MidJourney thingy. These here prompts are gonna let you create images from backgrounds to cute lil critters. Y'alls are gonna love them. The first prompt on our list is a way to create some children's characters. This here prompt can create some mighty fine illustrations of the cutest little critters you ever did see. Perfect for them youngins and their storybook. Or even for spicing up your own profile picture or wall art. You can make your own critters, or let this here prompt surprise you with some downright peculiar creatures. So if you're in need of some adorable character images for your wee ones, or some inspiration for them tall tales, this prompt is just what the doctor ordered. Well, shucks. Looks like this next one's a real masterpiece maker. Every bit of it has been crafted with care to celebrate the true art of paper designs. Starting from a single sheet of the finest paper, each delicate detail is hand-cut with the utmost precision, and then layered together to give it a three-dimensional form. And let me tell you, these illustrations are a sight to behold. They'll catch your eye and leave you breathless. Perfect for them travel posters and packaging designs. They're a surefire way to make your products stand out from the crowd. Now, have you heard of this here word kawaii? It's a real mouthful, and it means cuteness in Japanese. But it's more than just a word, it's a whole darn culture of appreciating all things adorable. And let me tell you, this prompt is as cute as a button. It'll whip up these little kawaii characters in no time flat. They're so cute, they'll make you want to squeal with delight. So if you want to add a touch of sweetness and charm to your life, look no further than this here prompt. Now this here prompt can generate some of the finest renders you ever did see. And what's more, they're symbols of what they call chibi animal characters. They're just too dang cute. These renders are top-notch, I tell you. Y'all can change the color, the character, and add a custom element. Well, doggy, I loves me this next prompt. You want to add some pizzazz to your stuff? Look no further than this here sticker design. They're a darn tootin' fun and creative way to show off your style and personality. These stickers are as colorful as a sunset, with playful illustrations and catchy coloring that'll catch your eye from a mile away. Get them printed and you can stick them anywhere. Your laptop, water bottle, or your high-techy phone case. This next prompt will be adding some color and creativity to your work. This collection of letters is just the thing for you. Each and every letter is unique as a fluffy cloud with a rainbow of colors that'll make your ideas pop. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can use them to create all sorts of masterpieces, so don't be shy. Explore them colors and let your imagination run wild. With this collection of letters, the sky's the limit. Now, looky here. These icons are as modern as can be, with sleek lines that'll make your work shine. And they're minimalistic too, so you can focus on the important stuff. They're perfect for all sorts of projects, from web design to illustrating concepts. So, if you want icons that'll make your work stand out from the crowd, give this prompt a try. Y'all won't be disappointed. This next imaginative prompt will create some pretty watercolor images for you. People just love storybook illustrations, and this prompt will make your ideas and stories so beautiful that you'll fall in love with your own images. Well, now, we saved the best for last. This here prompt generates some downright beautiful theme backgrounds that'll knock your socks off. They're perfect for all sorts of projects, like games or picture storybooks. And why stop there? You can even use them as backgrounds in your videos. And for them kiddos, you can use them as pages where they get to stick their favorite stickers all over them. Now, ain't that just the bee's knees? So if you want backgrounds that'll take your work to the next level, give this prompt a try. Now, I hope you enjoyed these here prompts today, if and you did. Would you kindly give me a like and a subscribe? I'd be mighty grateful. Mighty grateful. You know, when I was a boy, I had a disease that required me to eat dirt 3 times a day in order to survive. It's a good thing my older brother told me about it.